Farming has been my life since I was a boy. I've always enjoyed the country life. We have about 800 acres here. We milk average of about 500 cows.
I grew up on a dairy farm. My dad came to Georgia when I was 6 weeks old. When I was young, I started helping feed calves.
We have 10 children, ages from 21 to 1. And
we have chickens, we have horses, things the children enjoy doing, a few pigs, cows, calves, all kinds of stuff. The chores include the calves.
The girls get up and start their morning by feeding the baby calves. And they go out and feed each one individually until they're probably 4 or 6 weeks old. The little ones are a lot just working alongside mom or dad or a big brother or sister, and they're learning a lot just by watching.
Raising a family on a farm brings a sense of togetherness. We have to learn how to live together and work together peacefully, and it's a learning experience for all of us.
I say dairy farming is a good life for a family. Brings us together, there's time together. Physically they're healthy, mentally they're healthy. There's so much for them to do.
I'm Eldon Eberly, first-generation dairy farmer from Georgia, and I'm dedicated to dairy, my cows, my milk, and my land.